Dear students, we are there on the formal letter here next. Okay children, I'll discuss the format here of the formal letter, how to give the beginning, how to give the ending. I hope you try to understand here. Formal letter. So dear students, in case of formal letter, in the first 3 lines, you will write the sender's address here. Okay, so it should be written there, sender's address, it should be written there in 3 lines. Next is there, after this comes the date here. Okay, so after writing the sender's address, you need to write the date here, like I have written September 1 2021. So there are two ways, either you can write in this way or you can write here 1st September. Fully in the words you have to write here 2021. So these are the two ways to write the date here, and if you are writing in this way 18192021 or 192021, you will not get any marks here. Okay, you will not get any mark here. So these are the two correct way. Either you can write September 1 2021 or 1st September 2021 here. After this, as we are writing a letter to the editor here for the reckless driving, okay, for the careless, very at a great speed when the driving it is done here by the people, by the children here. So for that you are going to write a letter here to the editor of the newspaper. So how will you write to the editorial letter? You will write here, this is called the address of the receiver here. This is called the address of the receiver, the editor, the Tribune, and then from where it is getting published here, from the Chandigarh here. So this whom to write the letter or the address of the receiver, it's very clear from the heading. Okay, from the heading. So I am writing this letter to the editor, so I have written here the editor, name of the newspaper, from where it is getting published here. Next is there, after this you will write about the subject here. Subject is there, reckless driving. So students, you can write the subject here also, and after writing the salutation also. Okay, either you can write before salutation or you can write here subject also, subject reckless driving. Okay, after salutation you will write the subject here, reckless driving. As I am writing this letter for the newspaper, so you can give the beginning like, through the columns of your widely spread newspaper, I would like to drag the attention of the concerned authorities towards. After this you will write about the subject here, for what you want to give the attention. Okay, so for what you want to brought into the notice of the authorities, that is your subject here, reckless driving in my city here. Okay, so there are different ways to start this editorial letter, not only this one, like I would like to, simply you can start here, I would like to drag the attention, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities, of the higher authorities towards the subject, whatever the subject you have written here. Then comes the body of the letter. So I have written here the letter for the subject reckless driving here. So in the body, after writing, this is called the introduction here. This is called the introduction here. Introduction means for what subject you are writing the letter here. Then comes the body. Okay, so in the body you will discuss about the problem of reckless driving, and then what is the effect of reckless driving, and then how it can be controlled here. Okay, you will talk about reckless driving, then effect of reckless driving, and then how it can be controlled here. Okay, you will suggest the measures, and then you will, in the end, what will you write here? I hope my views will find a suitable place in your newspaper and reach or give a wake up call, give a reach you can use here, or you can write here, give a wake up call to the concerned authorities. This you will write here in the ending here. Okay students, and then write in the ending, you will write the subscription here like yours faithfully, and then your name in the freehand you will write here. Okay, first letter capital of surname, and then freehand you will sign the letter here. Okay students, so this was the format of the formal letter. So same like we are going to discuss here the format of the informal letter here. So in the informal letter, in the formal letter we have written two addresses, address of the sender, address of the receiver. So but in this letter we will write here only one address, address of the sender here. Okay, so after writing the address of the sender, you will write here the date, then whom you are writing the letter here. Suppose you are writing letter to the father, dear father. If you are writing letter to the brother, dear brother. If you are writing to the letter to the sister, then dear sister, same like dear uncle here. This is called the salutation. And then write the body of the letter for which you are writing the letter here. In the end you will write here your affectionately, and then only sign with the single name. No need to write the surname here. Okay, like Amit, I have written in the previous letter Amit Gupta. So if you are writing this name in the informal letter, then you will write here, sign up as Amit only. Okay, so I hope the format of the formal as well as the informal letter, it's clear to you all the students. So thank you, and with this we have finished the syllabus here. Thank you everyone. I hope that you will watch these videos very minutely and try to understand the format, different formats here, as well as the example which I have described here. Thank you everyone.